Hey guys, so in today's video I'm showing you DIY Christmas home decoration ideas for 2019, and you can definitely ask your kids to join in this craft session. They will definitely enjoy it. So we will be starting with the family handprint Christmas tree. For this you're gonna need a paper. You can take simple white paper. Now because I want to keep this as a memory for my rest of the life, I'm using a very hard paper. And then you're gonna need something to punch a hole. I'm using punching machine. Then you're gonna need a ribbon if you want to tie this on a Christmas tree, then some watercolors and a paper plate or any plastic plate, whatever you want. And then also if you want to draw a stem, you'll need a brush. You can also use your finger, and then some water, of course, if you're using a watercolor. Take green color on a paper plate, mix it well with the water, and then ask every family member to print their hands, both left and right, in such a pattern that it should look like a tree. This is such a easy and cute way to keep the handprints, and yeah, it looks very nice. When everybody is done, you can use a finger or a brush to draw a stem with a brown watercolor, and let it dry. Once it is dry, it is time to decorate it with a ribbon. You can use plain red ribbon as well, but I had a polka dotted one, so I'm using this. And you can stick it with a hot glue gun or glue, whatever you want, and this looks really nice on the top of the tree, I mean. Once you're satisfied with that, you can go ahead and write the name of the hands, whose hand is that, I mean. So I'm writing Papa, Mama and Nirvi. If you really want to keep it simple, you can just skip this process and go ahead and punch it and tie a ribbon if you want to hang this paper on the Christmas tree or wall. Isn't it so simple and cute? Yes, it is. So now moving on towards the next one, which is a baby snowman. Definitely you can use your photo for that. So you're gonna need a red paper. You can take a hard or soft, whatever you want. Then you're gonna need a picture. If it is a passport size picture, it will work very much better. Then you're gonna need a marker and some cotton and scissor and also glue. That's it. Now let's start with it. So first you have to cut out a snowman shape. For that I'm using a little bit of big ball and then the slightly smaller ball than that to draw a tummy of a snowman, you know what I mean. And then we are gonna go ahead and take the help of a scale to draw a vertical line, and on top of that I'm gonna draw a hat of a snowman, and the cutout should look something like this. And now we are going to cut the picture out. If you want, you can keep the picture as it is if it is a passport size photo, but I just wanted to go ahead and cut out the rest of the white background, so I did that. And then then I'm going to paste the picture on the vertical line, and with the help of cotton and glue I'm going to cover the whole tummy area and the body area of a snowman, I mean. So yeah, this is how it is looking. Then take a very small ball of cotton and paste it on the top of the cap, so it will look like a Santa Claus cap on top of the snowman. So yeah, this is the final look, and it looks so pretty if the photo is of baby with it. And then now we are going to make a reindeer's head. It is also super simple. For that you're gonna need brown paper. I have a brownish golden kind of paper, hard paper. If you want, you can take a simple white paper and color it brown. Then you need a scissor, scale and something to draw eyes. You can take black marker or black pen and glue. And of course, if you want to go a little extra, you can add some stickers or adhesive borders. So measure the head of your baby, and then you can take whatever width you want. I have taken 8 centimeter, and then whatever is the length of your baby's head, you can take that. And here I have measured 45, which was definitely wrong. 45 centimeter was wrong, so I'll tell you what I did in the end, but first we are going to cut out the length. Okay, so now when it is done, I'm going to quickly cut out the reindeer's you know, horns, and I'm going to cut obviously two, and then we are going to stick the horns. Make sure that they are in the symmetry, and they should be, yeah, they should be in symmetry. Once it is dried and it is like fixed completely, then you can go ahead and draw the nose and eyes. I forgot to tell you that you will need a red color marker or a red color sketch pen to draw the nose. That's what I used, and if you want you can just draw with the black one again. Then if you have measured not so correctly, then you can punch the hole and at the ends, both the ends, and add some ribbon over there. That's it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, use the adhesive borders to make it look more festive. Yeah, that's what I did. You can use silly stickers as well. Now moving towards the center. So for this you're gonna need a paper plate which has a white inside. Then you're gonna need a paper glass, or you can also use thermocol glass. Then you're gonna need a red marker to draw the nose and all, and a scissor. If you do not have red marker, you can also use watercolor, and then you're gonna need glue and cotton. First I'm going to cut out the glass into half and going to color it red with a watercolor. Once you're done coloring it, keep it to dry and move on towards the other thing. Now I'm going to cut the border of the paper plate so it is all neat and white, so that, you know, just it will pop, the Santa Claus will pop. And then we are going to punch the hole on the paper plate so that we can add a ribbon, if just in case we want to hang it. And then I'm going to add some ribbon over there, because after gluing the cap you will not be able to punch the hole and add the ribbon. So this should be the first step always if you want to make Santa Claus this way. Once you are done with that, just use hot glue gun or any kind of glue to stick the cap on the paper plate. Now with the help of marker and the black pen, draw the eyes and nose. Make sure that eyes are on the same side. Once you are done with that, take some cotton, make a ball, use glue and start gluing them on the paper plate. So first I'm going to glue on the cheek area so it will look more cuter, and then I'm going to make small balls and stick around on the plate. If you want, you can only stick on the borders, but I went ahead and made his mouth and also his beard and made it like this, so it is super cute and looks very funny. Now moving toward the wreath. Super simple and easy. For this you are gonna need again a paper plate and some watercolor. For sure, if you have watercolors, you're gonna need a brush. You can also ask your kids to use their hands and fingers, then a punching machine or just anything to make a hole, and some ribbon. Ask your toddler or kid to use brush and finger, whatever they want, and just have fun around on the paper as much as they want and for as long as they want. Once they are done, it's time for you to show your creativity. You can ask them to write their name and also encourage them to draw a leaf or whatever they want. So we had a little bit of fun, and then I rubbed it on a vertical line, and then I wrote her name, NIRVI. That's what you can do as well, and let it dry. Once it is completely dry, it will pop, the name will pop up really well, and then you can just go ahead, punch a hole and add a ribbon. Now to make her name more pop, I used a marker. You can do the same, or any I used black color. You can use any other color if you want. Red will also look good on it. So yeah, just do that and make a little bow with the red color and just paste on the top of the hole so it will look more cooler. Now moving towards the snowflakes. If you're tired of seeing those very tough tutorials, this one you should try with your toddlers and preschooler kids. You are just gonna need scissor, glue and white paper. stripes. So I had quilling paper, but if you do not have, just use a regular white paper and cut them into a few strips. Then cut the every single strip into 4 equal pieces. Once you are done with that, satisfied with the length, what kind of length you want of the flakes, then you have to paste them in a pattern of plus and cross. So first use 2 strips to make a plus, use the glue, paste it, and then you have to paste it in a cross pattern again with the help of glue. So this was it about all the DIY Christmas decoration and craft ideas for kids. Do not forget to share it with other mamas, those who have toddlers at home and kids at home. And I really hope that you enjoyed. So if yes, make sure to give this video a like. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.